today it's time to take a look at the smart electric scooter from Mobisun. So it's super mobile and it goes up to 40 kilometers per hour, which is 25 miles per hour. And believe me, that's quite fast. The weight is only 10 kilograms, so it's easy to carry. It is splash proof, so it comes in really handy if you're outdoors and it starts raining. No problem, you can ride along with no problems. It has suspension in the front as well as in the back, so it's a really comfy ride. And you can also use it when it's dark. It comes with a very bright LED light up front, and at the back is a light that's powered by this little solar panel at the end. You can fold up the smart electric scooter really easy and take it anywhere you want. The range depends on how fast you ride and the road, etc. But it goes with a full range of about 12 kilometers to 40 kilometers, which is 7 to 25 miles. And it's quite a long range with a full battery, so you're good to go. And you can of course charge it via the wall, but we do it Mobisun style and charge it via the Mobisun Pro with solar energy. It comes also with an app via Bluetooth where you can adjust any setting you want, and one of my favorite settings of all, cruise control. Up front it has a USB port as well, so that might come in handy when your battery of your phone died or anything. You never know. So when riding a scooter, please drive safe, use protection, and there are 3 different modes, so if you're in mode 3, it goes really fast, so be careful. So the fact that the scooter is foldable, electric, has LED lights, comes with an app, and is just overall a very fun experience.